How to log in IMO using mobile number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to log in IMO using mobile number. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to make sure to download and install IMO. Now tap to open IMO video calls and chat. Afterwards, you need to allow IMO to send you notifications. You can tap allow or simply do not allow, and you need to tap agree to collect your phone number. Here you need to simply first enter your countries and then enter your mobile number. So let's type in and select the check mark next to it. Now you need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your WhatsApp account. You can copy the code and then paste here. Afterwards, it will be verified. Then you will successfully log into your account. If you wish to invite friends, you can tap invite and invite more friends for fun to use with IMO or friends. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.